Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make a poll in Discord. So first you need to open your browser and search for top.gg. So once you've searched for that, you'll be redirected to the site. As you can see, the number one Discord bot list, explore millions of Discord bots. So once you're here on the search bar, search for simple poll. Once you're done with that, click on the search button here. And as you can see, here is a simple poll. So you want to click on this. After that, you could read through this, but I'm going to show you how to do it for this video. So just click on invite and you'll be redirected here. And click on the server or add the server that you want to add this bot into. So just go through it and click on continue, make sure this off check, and then click on authorize, and there will be a verification. Just go through that also. As you can see, I've added the simple poll to my server, and let's go back to Discord. So as you can see, the simple poll is added. What you'd want to do is click on the slash, and as you can see, these are the simple poll right here. So we could click on that and add the question. Make sure that you have the quotation marks there. So let's say, how are you? How are you today? Make sure you have the question mark too, and click out of this. So just like so, and you'll see the choices here. For choice A, let's say good, and click out of it again and go for choice B, not so good or like bad. So you could add 18 more, so you could add many more choices if you want. So but for us, we're done. So just click on enter here. So as you can see, there's indicator here. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.